while back, I had this idea where I wanted one wreath for all seasons, where I would hang a grapevine wreath out front, and then I would make out of wood these little elements to represent each season. Now, this video is going to show you how I've done this.
Can you believe that school is already starting? I never could come up with a good theme for school for my outdoor wreath. I'm going to give these a whirl. I did them for my mom for her little wreath outside her door, and I like them. Though I think the school may need a window or a door. I'm going to have to mess with this a little bit. So here's something that I've tried in the past is you take the bottom of the wood, spray the adhesive on that real quick, and then take all of your pieces. One day I may have a spraying room, but that kind of seems like a waste of space. This works just fine. You just have to be a little bit quick about it. So then you lay out your pieces and grab them just in the nick of time. So I like to have all of these glued on so I don't have to go back and forth in my gluing. I had this idea that I should Sharpie in the tires. I first did it all the way around, and now I'm painting over it because I think that just this looks better. So I'm trying to get the black to cover. I don't know how well that's gonna work, but hopefully I can get this under control. I did the schoolhouse with a whitewash because that's what they were like back in the day. It's supposed to be an old-timey. I'm debating on whether to draw a door or a window on this or just leave it. So next step is to get some fisheye hooks on the back, and then I'll show you how I put these on my wreath. School bus and schoolhouse are finished. I had forgotten when I did this that I usually use 3/8 inch wood, so now I glued pieces on the back of it. So when I take my fisheye hooks, they're not fisheyes. So I have a whole jar here of fisheyes. They gotta be big enough that my coat hangers can fit through this. So that's how I attach it to the wreath, is I put hooks here and then attach to the wreath with a coat hanger. My cat, she loves our rubber mallet. This is how she helps me when I'm in the shop. She's such a crazy girl. So another piece of the wreath is finding nice foliage to put into the wreath. I love the dollar store. I'm a little bit of a dollar store addict, and it's really a good price, especially since this is going to be outdoors and get all messed up. Now this might be too much fall, so that may need to go on my Halloween wreath. Can you believe that Halloween stuff is out already? So I also got this for my Halloween wreath for foliage. Love it! So I just pulled the flowers and wooden themed elements for the wreath for June off. And now I'm going to put my new ones on. I wanted to show you how this works. So you take the coat hanger and then you wrap it around the wreath and then you stick it into the fish eyes. I thought that was a really clever way of attaching my wooden elements for each month. Here's the wreath all switched out for school. I really love this idea because how many times do you have to buy a new wreath and get new decorations for every season? And with my little wooden elements, I have one wreath and I just swap it out and go to the dollar store for some new flowers and easy peasy. Looks great.